Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be hitting you with this look right here. I will be using the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette and some ColourPop shadows. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Starting off bare face as I do in most all my tutorials. I'm going to go in with my Glow on Hydra base from ETUDE House. This is a Korean brand product, and it is a moisturizer. Believe it or not, but it is an awesome moisturizer. I love this stuff. Next, I'm going in with the E.L.F. Beauty Shielding Primer. This is the one with the SPF of 50. If you guys saw my last video when I did all E.L.F. makeup first impression stuff, then you know what's about to happen in 5, 4, 3, 2. Yeah, Ghostface Killer is in the building. She back, y'all. But this primer is so good. I had to. Now I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation. This is my first time trying this foundation, and there's going to be a lot of products in this tutorial that are my first time using. I figured this would be a shorter way of doing first impressions, so I'm doing it in a makeup tutorial style. I am using the colors Cocoa and Caramel, Cocoa in the center, Caramel in the center of my face, and Cocoa on the perimeter of my face. And you will notice in a bit my facial expression when I realized I might have put on way too much. I must say a little goes a very long way with this foundation. And I also must say that I absolutely love this foundation so far, even though I've only used it once, and that was in this particular video. But I must say the finish of this foundation was absolutely flawless. I will be doing a second chance with this foundation because I want to play with it some more. So you'll see it in another video where I talk about it a little bit more and give my full thoughts on how I like it. But it's supposed to be a very long wearing foundation. I did not wear this foundation all night, so I don't know how long it's gonna last. In the update video, I'll let you know if you have not tried this foundation already. I haven't really seen too many people talk about this foundation. It did come out last year, but I didn't really see a lot of people talk about it. So yeah. Anyways, it is, in my opinion, bomb. Are we still saying that in 2018? I'm so done with all these things you can no longer say, do in the new year. It's like, well, let people be who they want to be, man. Let people do what they want to do. Let them be great. Can't stop people from being great, man. Anyways, we're moving on to the eyes now, and y'all already know my E.L.F. eyeshadow primer. This product will never ever change. I might try other primers here and there, but E.L.F. will always reign supreme when it comes to holding my eyeshadows onto my oily lids. And of course, I'm doing top and bottom, blending it all out. Now I'm going in with the Kiss Express Jumbo Pencil. This is in the color blue. I'm pretty sure it has a fancier name, but for the life of me, y'all, I can't remember what that fancy name is. But when I do find out what it is, I'll leave it down in the description box for ya. And I'm going to apply that all over the mobile lid, blending it out, top and bottom. I think at one point I sniffed this pencil and realized that it stunk so bad. It's really old though. It's really old. Going in with the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe palette. I'm taking, I believe the colors was BUTTER&POOTER. And I'm mixing those two together to create my transitioning color. And I'm going to just help blend out the harsh lines from that Kiss Jumbo pencil. I think I was listening to Pandora in the background. Most likely I was. That's what I listen to every time I'm filming a video. And I was jamming this day. Going back in with that Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm taking the color Roxanne. I love the name of this eyeshadow. It reminds me of my best friend, Roxanne. And I'm just taking that and placing it in the crease, and I am going to blow it out. I want this color to sort of peep through all the blue that's going to be applied on top of it. I'm thinking about changing my upload days to Wednesday so you guys don't like have, you know, be missing a whole, you know, whole week go by before you see another video. Let me know if that's what you guys want to do. I don't know. I'm playing around with this upload schedule, but it'll still be a video at least once a week, maybe two, if I got time. I'm taking the color Midnight Blue by Coastal Scents. I was about to say ColourPop, but it's Coastal Scents. And I'm going to use that also in the crease, but I'm going to take it just below Roxanne, the color we applied previously. And I'm going to just smoke that out. I want the next color, which is this beautiful, beautiful, gorgeous gemstone blue right here called Twerk. This is also from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I want that blue to transition up into that more smokier, darker blue. This color right here is redonkulous. It's so pigmented and so vibrant. By the way, this is like hands down my favorite eyeshadow palette of 2017. I will be doing my favorite makeup products of 2017 makeup tutorial style. That video will be uploaded next week, Wednesday, hopefully. But yeah, I'm in love with that palette. It's one of my favorites. And I'm going to be doing like my top 5 products for each category. But then I'll only use like my top favorite out of the top 5, if that makes sense. Anyways, just stay tuned. Y'all see it. Anyways, I love this palette. I love this color. It's so vibrant. You could just stop right here. Like if you plan on redoing this look, you could stop right there because the color is like amazing. Like look at it. It's amazing on its own. But, you know, I'm a little extra with things sometimes, so I'm gonna jazz it up a bit. But taking that color on the lower lash line as well, because what I do on top I shall do on the bottom. Very rarely ever will you not see a smoky bottom lash line on me. I always have to do that. Now I'm taking the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Rex. This is what's gonna be like the like icing on the cake for this look. This color is like a really deep dark blue with a bunch of like blue, teal, aqua green glitter in it, and it's you can't see the glitter of course on camera, but I'm telling you y'all, the color is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Is it gorgeous? Okay, trust me. This is like one of the colors. If it's not limited edition, I don't think it was a limited edition color. I think it's a permanent color. If you can get your hands on it, this is one of the colors I recommend from the Super Shocks. I love Rex. Rex is awesome, and I'm just applying that all over the lid. Now I'm going in with this random ass palette from WINKI. This is from the Boxy charm that we got like a couple of months ago. I don't remember the name of that color, but when I find out what it is, it will be in the description box. Well, by the time y'all watch this video, it should be in the description box already. It's a duochrome color. It's like a silvery lilac-y blue color. And now I'm taking the colors Beam and Silk Cream, and I'm going to apply those two colors on my brow bone area. And for some reason, I got the clips backwards. So in this clip, y'all don't see the inner corner highlight yet because I'm special. But y'all get it, right? Y'all get where I'm coming from. So in the next clip, the inner corner highlight will be there. Now taking the Lasting Drama in the color Sapphire. This is from Maybelline. And I'm going to take this color and apply it on my bottom waterlines. This is going to really set that blue to the next level. Off camera, I'm applying mascara. This mascara is new to me, and so are these lashes. These lashes are bomb, y'all. Bomb. Off camera, I'll be back. Boom. Back. Now, I'm taking the Invisible Concealer from CoverGirl. This concealer is new to me. Of course, y'all can tell I just took it out of the pack. And it's also trash. The mascara was new to me. I liked the mascara. It was okay. It wasn't like wow. It was alright. But this concealer, y'all, trash. Will I give it a second chance? I don't know. It was trash. It was like super trash. Like super trash. It was so thin and oily. It kept running, like it disappeared. It wasn't brightening. It kind of like blended in with my skin tone. It wasn't brightening. It disappeared and moved the foundation underneath it. Like it didn't mix well with the foundation. It was horrible. I didn't like it. I don't care for it. I might give it a second chance. We'll see. But I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to blend the trash out. I don't recommend it though. It was on clearance. They probably recalled it. It's probably the reason why it was on clearance. Look at my face though. Alright, so I'm going in with a trusty. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color of Almond. And I am just going to go right on top of that atrocious CoverGirl concealer. And yeah, we're going to take it from there. We're going to fix the mess under the eyes. That was my face because I think I applied too much there. But hey, it is what it is. This was a go ham or go home day right here. A go ham or go home right here. Excuse me, I'm still getting, I'm getting over being sick, so I still have a bit of a cough. Now I'm taking my setting powder by CoverGirl. Let me tell y'all right now, this setting powder by CoverGirl is everything. If you don't have it, you need to get it. I mean, you know, people be sleeping on them drugstore products, and I just don't understand why. Like, why? Why though? That setting powder is everything. I love it. Now, to set the rest of my face, I'm taking the Infallible Pro Matte powder, and I'm just going to set the places I did not set with my CoverGirl setting powder. Did I tell y'all what color that was? I don't think I did. For the L'Oreal Pro Matte powder is in the color Cocoa, and my CoverGirl powder, I don't know where it's at, so I can't tell y'all the color. Look in the description box. Alright, now I'm taking my bronzer. This is in the color Maui Nights, and it's by Becca. Love this bronzer, bro. I would like to thank Jaclyn for introducing me to this bronzer because it's life. It is, it's air. It is literally air in thy lungs. Loves it. I love everything about it. I love the color. I love everything. Anyways, now I'm going to go in with a little contour. I'm taking the Pro Contour Duo from L'Oreal. This is also new to me, and I actually liked it. The color was a little on the cool side, but that's okay. You want your contour to be more on the cool side versus on the warm side. A lot of people need to realize that, especially if you're lighter tones walking around here looking like y'all got hit in the face with a bag of Cheetos. But hey, that's besides the point. Alright now. Now I'm taking the Milani highlighter in the color 03. I'm pretty sure it's golden something, but like I said before, please check the description box because I don't know these names by heart. Oh, it is in the color Sunglow. Sunglow. This one I had next to me. So yeah, I wasn't really impressed with this highlighter either. This was also a new product that I tried out in this video, and I was not impressed by this Milani highlighter whatsoever. It was not, to me, it was very dry. It's whatevs. Now for blush, I just went back into my Becca bronzer in Maui Nights, and I applied it more down on the cheeks area for blush. And yeah, now we're heading on over to the lips. We're going to finish this look off with the Jordana lip liner in Cocoa and the Wet n Wild lip liner in the color Chestnut. Taking Chestnut first since it's a darker color, and I'm just going to trace around thine lips. And then I will take Cocoa and fill them in slightly. Yo, I'm in such a good mood today, and I have no idea why. That's why I'm a little extra in this video, because normally I'm not this, like, in your face, like extra, but I am today for some reason. I'm like I'm in good moods. Hey. And to finish off the lips, I'm taking the Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline, and this is in the color Too Cute. I actually really love these hot lacquers from Maybelline. I love them. They're not sticky or anything like that. They have a nice color payoff, and they leave your lips really soft and voluptuous. I mean, look at my lips, yo. No injections here, baby. All natural. Hello. Anyways, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click that notification bell. Subscribe if you haven't. I know you watching. Click it, man. And I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.